This week I am testing the new Subaru Crosstrek. This is a 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The boot section of this review is brought to you by Thule. The boot of the Crosstrek opens manually and nice and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. When the boot is empty, it will hold 10 shopping bags. Or the Thule sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Subaru Crosstrek with 2 shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 2 ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels removed fits easily in the boot with 5 shopping bags. Or the Thule Spring lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Subaru Crosstrek with 6 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 70-litre and 2 40-litre Thule Chasm duffel bags, or a small to medium-sized dog. There are no rear aircon vents in the back of the Subaru Crosstrek. It's a bit of a shame for rear passengers, so we found we had to use the front central vents and aim them towards the back to keep the rear passengers comfortable. Storage in the back of the Subaru Crosstrek is good. There is a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. There's a single mat pocket on the back of the front passenger seat that will hold and conceal an iPad. And the door bins in the back are a good size. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and there's a little handle wells too. In the back of the Subaru Crosstrek, there are ice-picks in the 2 outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, they're behind flaps of the seat fabric. They are nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs, and they're nice and easy to access and connect to through the boot. Now, I could fit 3 infant-secure child seats across the back here, which is fantastic news for families that need to. Now, you can only fit the 3 across if one of them is rear-facing. It won't fit 3 forward-facing seats across. So you do need to bear that in mind depending on the age of your children and when they'll need to be in child seats. You can fit 2 infant-secure child seats really nice and easily in the back here, and it's nice and spacious. Now, legroom is fantastic in the back here. With a rear-facing behind the driver's seat, we could fit a 182cm driver in front, which is great in a car of this size. And with forward-facing child seats, then we could easily fit taller passengers than that. Storage in the front is great too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In front of them there is a wireless phone charging pad, and behind them there is a really good sized central console box. The glove box is a good size in here too. That will just hold my wallet and iPad with the manuals. And the door bins are a good size. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them as well. And you've got the storage handle wells in the front too. The media system in the Subaru Crosstrek is modern and easy to use and navigate. Within the vehicle settings screen, you can customise things like turning on and off the auto start-stop, as well as the driver assist settings like lane keep assist, speed assist, and the volume of warning beeps. So if you have sound-sensitive kids, you can turn them down or to the volume that your family likes. The Subaru Crosstrek has Apple CarPlay, and you can access your phone, music and apps while driving. When you put it into reverse, the camera images are lovely and clear, and you can easily turn the parking sensors off on the screen. There are different angles you can view from, including a 360-degree camera. The Subaru Crosstrek is a really nice car to drive. The steering's nice and light, and being small, the turning circle is really good, which makes it nice in school and supermarket car parks and places like that. Now, visibility is good in here. I can still see out the back with 3 child seats installed. However, if it's not good enough for you, then there is a really good rear view camera that you can turn on with a button down in the central console, and it comes up nice and big in the media screen, and you've got a couple of views there too. Now it feels like it hugs the road, steering's really good, and it's responsive too. So just sum up with the Subaru Crosstrek, it does make a fantastic baby drive. You can fit 3 infra-secure child seats across that back row if one of them is rear facing. However, 2 will fit forward facing really comfortably. Now something the Crosstrek does really well is legroom. Even with a rear facing child seat, you can fit a 182 centimetre driver in front, or taller if you've got forward facing child seats. The drive is fantastic, the media system is really good, and the cameras. The boot space, it's enough if you're not having to take big prams around with you anymore. However, it is quite compact in the boot there.